Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in today's video, I was just casually sitting on the couch and I figured I could do like a nighttime vlog and do a kind of like nighttime pamper spa routine with you guys, because I've been working editing all day, doing that all day, so I figured I might as well unwind and show you guys my at-home pamper routine, going over like teeth whitening, doing my nails, giving myself a pedicure, doing a hair mask. We're gonna go through the whole nine, my pamper routine. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then definitely please keep watching. And if you like these more relaxed style videos, let me know so I can film them more often. Anyways, let's jump into the video. Before I do my hair, I'm gonna take my evening shower, but I'm gonna go ahead and like dampen my hair. That way I can do a really nice hair mask in it. So I'm not gonna wash it, I'm just going to wet it and then do my hair mask, so I'll be back. So I got my towel, my robe, and a fresh razor because I'm gonna shave my legs, make it feel nice and smooth, and that always makes me feel better, so that way when I use like my lotion and all of that, it just like seeps into my skin so much better. Is there any better feeling other than being freshly showered and just clean? The only thing gross is that my hair isn't completely clean because we are gonna be doing a hair mask. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do to like pamper and take care of my hair. Let me grab. Alright, so these are the products I'm going to be using in my hair today. I'm going to start off by spraying some rice water spray. I made this rice water spray and just put it in this Laneige heat protector that I ran out of. And then I like to take my Olaplaex No. 3 hair perfector. This is a deep conditioner. This stuff is amazing for your hair. Like, it will seriously work miracles. It's crazy. And then I'll also take some coconut oil to just like seal it all in. I feel like my hair has been in need of like a deep conditioning treatment, so that's what we're... I like to really spray the rice water spray through the ends because it just helps strengthen everything, and also all throughout the root. Now we're gonna take the perfector, and what I like to do with this stuff is first warm it up and just work it through the roots. So many times I feel like we neglect the top of our hair. We want to focus everything on the ends. I know I'm guilty of it, but don't forget about keeping a nice and healthy root. It's so weird. This stuff smells like my grandmother's house growing up, which my grandmother's house never actually smelled like an actual like old person or grandma, but she had to have something that smelled similar to this, and that's what it smells like. All right, and then next I'm gonna take my coconut oil and just take a huge I gotta buy more of this. I'm gonna take like a glob like this, not holding back. With this hair mask, I plan on leaving this in my hair overnight. That way it can really just soak in and my hair can just take in all this goodness. So I couldn't find any of my hair scrunchies, so I'm just gonna use a headband to tie my hair out of the way. I don't want to use an actual hard elastic because since my hair is still wet, I don't want it to snap it. So you want to make sure you use like a scrunchie or something that's going to be more gentle on your hair. I look like a little boy. How cute. You gotta get ugly before you get pretty, because with this step it's all about just taking care and like pampering, and sometimes it gets worse before it gets better. My skin is driving me crazy, so I'm gonna go through my in-depth skincare routine. So whenever I want to pamper myself and I want to make sure my skin will soak everything up, I go ahead and do a chemical exfoliant. I've talked about this exfoliant before, but the Ordinary Peeling Solution is my favorite. This stuff is awesome. Basically what this does is it has AHAs and BHAs, which chemically exfoliate your skin. It takes off that top layer of dead skin, so that way once I go into my moisturizers and all of that, it'll just like absorb into my skin so much better. It'll help erase some of this hyperpigmentation and all of that. So that's what we're... I'm gonna let this sit in my skin for 10 minutes. Oh, well, this is on my face and I look crazy. You want to go ahead and moisturize your body, head to toe. You should honestly be doing this just all the time. This is something I love to do every single night. That way when I wake up in the morning, I don't have like dry elbows or dry arms. Everything is super smooth and it just makes you feel more put together and just better. So I've been using the Up and Up Extra Repair Lotion. This stuff has been great since my skin has been a little bit more dry lately. So that's what we're gonna do. So I put on some comfy pajamas, some that just made me feel super luxurious. These are actually from Missguided. It's a matching little PJ set that I love. And once I do my moisturizer, I like to smell good. My favorite like nighttime body spray is the Into the Night fragrance by Bath and Body Works. This is normally the one that I use just because it's so, I don't know, it's just so nice. I don't know, smelling good just helps me like wind down better for the night and just makes me feel all around more pampered. All right, so I have 2 more minutes until I can wipe off this bloody looking face. So I wiped off the healing solution. I just feel like it leaves my skin so much more radiant. So now I'll just quickly speed through my nighttime routine. I always like using my badescu rose water, and I use this kind of as a toner. Whenever I do a chemical peel, I love using vitamin C right after just because it helps further promote collagen in your skin and keep it nice and plump and just healthy. So I'm going to be using my Nuva Skin Vitamin C Serum. I get this from Amazon. I will link it down below. I really enjoy it. For all your skincare, just make sure to put it on your neck too and just really massage it into the skin. Next, I'll take my Ordinary Buffet Serum. I don't use this one every day or all the time, but whenever I want to pamper my skin and I just really want to treat it, I'll put this on as well. Again, make sure you get everything on your neck. Make me stand by. I'll be taking my Kiehls Avocado Eye Treatment underneath of my eyes. That way, hopefully when I wake up, I won't be seeing these bags anymore. You can only wish or pray. Next, I'm going to apply a generous amount of my Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Normally, I just put a little bit of this and use it as a moisturizer, but today I'm actually going to use it as a mask and just really coat my skin in this. Almost out of this one. Luckily, I have a backup. I'm just going to like stripe it on my skin like a legit mask. And never neglect your lips. I'm going to be using my Aquaphor Lip Repair. I like applying a generous amount of this. Alright, so now I'm just going to quickly brush my teeth and we're going to pop on some whitening trays to freshen up the smile. Alright, so to whiten my teeth, I'll be using my Smile Bright Whitening. I've been using this brand for years. However, recently I was running low and I wanted to repurchase it. And I don't think they make it anymore because I couldn't find it anywhere. So I will link some similar ones down below. Also, Crest whitening strips work great. But I like to whiten my teeth at least once a month or once every other month just to maintain it and to help get rid of any like coffee stains since I do drink a lot of coffee. So yeah, and I'm gonna leave these on for 30 minutes. Also, this kit came with a light. However, my light broke, so I normally just use the trays and the whitening cream and it works just fine like that. Alright, so I had my whitening strips in, so I figured for this portion I could do a voiceover. So this is the stuff you'll need for your nails: some cotton ball, a little bit of alcohol, this one's 70% rubbing alcohol, and a LED or UV lamp. This one's from Amazon. I love it. It's travel size and it came with a lot of stuff. It actually came with this base coat and top coat. So I'll link them individually as well as in the kit. Also, sorry, all my nail stuff looks janky, but this is the pink nail polish I'll be using. That one came in a kit as well. I'll leave it linked. You'll need some cuticle remover. This just makes it super easy. A cuticle like pusher back thingy. I have no idea what these are called. And then a cuticle trimmer, a nail file. Sorry, again, mine looks janky. And then like a buffer. Also, I recommend like bringing out your iPad or your phone. I like putting my iPad on this iPad stand while I do my nails, and it just helps me, I don't know, stay relaxed so I don't feel like I'm rushing through it. I'm distracted since this is pretty time consuming. So I always start off by putting on the Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and you want to let that sit on your nails for about 15 seconds. Also, guys, I'm not a nail tech. I actually suck at doing nails, but this is just what I do. It's really simple and basic. A lot of these steps, though, I learned from my Mac manager, actually. I can leave her Instagram link down below, but she did an amazing in-depth nail tutorial with like the glue on nails too. She's just so good at it. So I'll leave her info so you can watch her tutorial on Instagram because it's way more in-depth. But this is what works for me. And a lot of it I learned from her. So basically I'm taking this cuticle push backer thingy, whatever it's called, and I'm pushing back my cuticles. I definitely recommend doing this step and not skipping out on it because it makes a huge difference on how just easier it is to paint your nails. And now I'm just trimming my cuticles with a cuticle trimmer. Now I'm just buffing out my nails just so that it has like a nice even surface. And then that way when I paint over with my gel, it just goes on better. I'm going to take some of the rubbing alcohol and I'm going to soak a cotton ball. And I'm going to run this on my nails. What this will do is it'll remove any excess oil on my nail bed so that the gel will stick and last a lot longer. Now I'm just filing my nails. My nails are already super short, so I was just trying to make sure that they were all like kind of even, but yeah, I don't even know why I did this step. Technically, I didn't even have to. And then I'm going to start off with the base coat. And I'm going to do a really thin layer of this. You don't want to do your gels too thick or else they will like move easy. At least that's what my Mac manager told me. And her nails are always like, Mom. And then I'm going to cure the base coat for about 45 seconds. For as tiny as this lamp is, it is pretty strong. Now I'm taking the pink nail polish. Again, I'll leave the link down below. I'm going to do a coat of this. I ended up doing 2 coats of this nail polish. And for my actual like color polish, I'll let that cure for 90 seconds. So now I'm letting that part cure. And once that's done, I'm going to do the top coat and I'll let that cure for about a minute. So I finished painting my nails. They're not the best. I'm not the best at painting them, but I just like how they look a little bit more polished. I took out my whitening little tray so my teeth are nice and bright. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing I did on my nails to these ratchet toes. So I think the last clip that I showed with my nails, I showed myself using this polish, all janky, but I will link the polishes and all of that down below. I believe I got this one in a kit. So once I finish painting my nails with that, I go ahead and apply the top coat and I'll cure this for maybe about like a minute or a minute and 20 seconds. And then once I do that, I'll take some rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball and just rub it over top of the nail polish just to kind of remove that top sticky layer. So that's that with the nails. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do my toes and I'll be back. Ooh. I was watching some Jess Conti on YouTube. So I'm gonna watch some more of that while I do my toes. So I finally finished up my nails and toes like 3 hours later. These are how my toes look. I get so cringy like showing feet on YouTube. Don't mind my I got a blister on my foot, so don't mind that. But the color I think looks really good and my hands match. But now that my toes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Dr. Teal's foot cream. I'm gonna put some cozy fuzzy socks on to just make sure that my feet don't get like dry or gross or anything like that. To be honest, I do this every night and it just helps it so that I don't have to like use those like pumice foot things. It just keeps your feet nice and soft. Also, if you want to keep your feet nice and soft, I definitely recommend not walking around your house barefoot. Always wear socks and make sure you're moisturizing your feet every single day. All right, these are my socks of choice for today. My choka socks. They're so cute. All right, and that wraps it up for my at-home night pamper routine. These are just some of the things that I like to do when I want to feel more put together and just feel better. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, I can wash out this mask. My skin's gonna be nice and smooth. My legs will be smooth. My hands and toes will be done, and I'll just feel way more better. I highly encourage that during this quarantine that you guys take the extra time to just like do extra stuff for yourself. Even if salons are closed where you live, you can still paint your nails, paint your toes, or just moisturize your body. Simple things like that that'll make you feel good and feel just more productive and all of that. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you guys. I feel like I look crazy, but it's all part of the process. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.